I would like to help you with this video to share what I discovered and is really a game changer. I have been in a very stressful situation past couple of days because I was not able to remove epoxy grout haze on my ceramic tiles. I bought the special gel from Fila. Mape brand has the same thing too. I tried with it without success. In the user manual it says that we should apply the gel and let it sit for 30 minutes. It did not work. It dried out. I tried to let it sit for 10 minutes. It was kind of wet but very greasy and I could not remove it. So, don't do that way. The game changer is to let it sit for 5 minutes. After that, spray it with kitchen degreaser. I used this one. Let it sit for a few minutes more. Treat it with a hard brush, or a rotating brush in my case. Right after that, treat it with a hard sponge. I got best results with this one. If it still feels greasy, apply more degreaser. Wipe and rinse with a classic dishes cloth. The result is excellent.